Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to make CI crank arm with the NX Siemens software. Okay, if you are ready to open the NX Siemens software, you must click new and then give the name. I'm going to the model, select model and then click on here and then 3.23 CI crank arm, and then click OK. Already exists, and I will edit the name something like this and then OK, enter. After click OK, waiting for the opening. Okay, for this I will draw first from the top view. I will make the top view like this and like this. Okay, click sketch. After click sketch, select this plane and click OK. After that, select circle from this point, something like this and something like this, and then right click OK. Okay, I will define the dimension. The dimension is 40H and 25. 40H and 25. Okay, I'm going to the NX Siemens. Click rapid dimension 40H, close, and then 25, enter, and then close. After that, I'm going to finish sketch. Going to the isometric view, click the extrude, select this line and also this. Okay, after that, give the height. The height is 30H. Write on your keyboard 30H, enter, and then click apply. After that, I will sketch for make this. Okay, I will select from here XY plane and then click OK. After that, I select this line from here to here, and then I will make the circle something like this. Okay, select circle, make strike with this point something like this, and then OK. After that, the radius is 13. Click on here, click here circle, and then 13 plus 13 and then enter, close. After that, I will give the distance from here to here is 66. Select here, select this point to this point, and then give 66, enter. After that, close, and then select this line from here center to here center, right click and OK. Click here and then right click and then convert to reference. After that, click this line to this circle, select tangent like this, select this line and this. Okay, I'm going to the project curve, select this and then apply, cancel, click here to here and then click here and here, click here and then click this circle. Okay, already tangent. So I will make this also, select this line and this circle, select the tangent, select this circle and this line, select this circle sorry, select this circle and this line, select tangent. Okay, after that I will cut this line. I am using the quick trim. Select this line and this line, also this line and this line, and this line, also this line, and then this. After that, click close, and then I'm going to the isometric view, going to the finish sketch, and then select extrude. Select this, and then this. Okay, after that you must open this, give the thickness is 13, click 13 and then enter, and then click unit, so apply, then cancel. Okay, might be like this, and I will make this slot a little. Select sketch, select on here, and then click OK. After that you must select the rectangle from here to here, give the dimension is 6. Select repeat dimension, select this line, going to this, fill with 6 on your keyboard, and then enter. After that click close, select this line, this to this, right click and then OK, click this and then click this line, right click and then convert to reference. Okay, after that I will make the distance from here to here is 28. So you must just or select the project curve, select this and apply and cancel. Select this line from here to here, right click and OK, click this line to this, select tangent. After that click here, right click and then convert to reference. After that select repeat dimension from here to here and then give 28, enter. Okay, something like this. Okay, after that I will keep the dimension from here to here is 5 or free dimension, no problem, and then click finish. After click finish you select the extrude. I will extrude cut here, select this, okay, sorry, select extrude, select this connected curve, select this. Okay, I will reverse the direction to the bottom, something like this, and then for the end value you must select through all like this and select subtract. Okay, click apply and cancel. Okay, after that I will make the hole. The hole is using the metric. This is the metric dimension. So first select sketch, select this and click OK. After that you select the project curve, select this and then apply, cancel, and then you give the point on here. Oh, cannot. Okay, no problem. Finish sketch, select the hole. I'm going to the isometric view, and after select this you select the type of the hole. I selected the 3-dot hole because on the picture show metric 10, and then select this. Okay, this okay, and then select specify point. I will select this specify point. First you must select this, and then you can see the point of here, and then select the object, select this object. Okay, waiting the process. So unable to create tool body, you must select another way to make it. I will try apply. If error, I will try again. Close. And I will make through this sketch, double sketch, and I will select this from here to here, finish sketch, and then going to the isometric view, going the hole, select 3-dot hole, specify point on here. Okay, and then hold direction along vector, and then select object from here, select vector, select vector to the select vector this and this, select object, select this, tip type, okay, something like this, and then reverse the direction and click apply. Okay, the hole is already make it, but I cannot see the detail of the thread, so you must going to define a comment in this area and then click on your keyboard thread, something like this, and then enter. After enter, you can wait the process opening the threading. Select this and click detail and click this area and apply. Okay, your hole with your thread is already make it. So I will check the picture again. The picture is so that they have the radius, the value of radius is 10. Okay, so I will select the edge plane, click 10 on here, and then select this edge. Okay, something like this. You can see the preview of the image or 3D model, and then click apply. After click apply, you can cancel, and then your drawing is finished. So I will select this view, and then click show and hide. After that, I will hide the sketch, select the curve, select the datum also, and then close. After that, I will change the color of this model. I am going to the render, going to true setting, and then going to the object of materials, or you can select global materials. Okay, I will select this. No, not good. Something like that will be good. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment on the column komentar below, and don't forget give me a suggestion to make another video or another modeling that you want. Thank you. See you on the next video.